How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you one of the coolest new iPhone features in a long time. An alternative way to unlock your iPhone, and that is unlocking your iPhone with your Apple Watch while wearing a face mask. This is so cool, guys. It's incredibly handy and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So in this video, I'm gonna fully demonstrate this new feature and of course, show you the setup process. Let's get started. All you gotta do is enable this new feature on your iPhone, which I'm gonna show you in a second. And then from this moment on, every single time you wanna unlock your iPhone using Face ID, of course, and you're actually wearing a mask, like I am right now, your iPhone will actually ask your Apple Watch to unlock it for you. How cool and easy is that? Let me show you actually in action. So how fast is that? So I'm pointing the iPhone actually to my face, which is right here, and then it detected I'm wearing a mask, so then it shows unlocking with Apple Watch on the screen, and then you get a pop-up notification on the watch. I'm gonna show you again because it's super fast, so let me show you once again. Have a look at this. Unlocked already. Sometimes it's just instant, it doesn't even show. Again, let me go ahead and try to show you once again. There we go, unlocking with Apple Watch and everything like that. One of the coolest things I like about this feature is that you can actually manually lock your iPhone from the watch. So if for some reason somebody actually took advantage of this feature to actually gain access to your phone or something like that, you can manually lock your iPhone from your watch. And then after you manually lock from the watch, you're gonna need to obligatory and mandatory put your passcode. So it's not gonna work with your face or anything like that after that. So it actually locks the phone. So let me show you. And then lock. So as you guys can see, as I locked, I'm gonna need to put the passcode. So it won't allow me to do anything. Your passcode is required. So then this is very cool again, because if somebody's trying to take advantage of this feature to get your phone away from you and maybe unlock it very quickly, and then you see the pop-up notification that your iPhone was unlocked and it wasn't you can easily lock it again as I just showed you. So I really like this extra security step. Okay, so probably the biggest question is, how can I enable this on my iPhone? All right, let me show you, because there are actually a few requirements that you need to fulfill. So first, you need to be running iOS 14.5 on your iPhone. So go to settings, scroll down to general, about, and check if you're running iOS 14.5. If you're not, make sure to go ahead and update. Go to software update and update. Keep in mind that depending on when you're watching this video, this version may still be on beta. Right now, upon the recording of this video, iOS 14.5 is still on developer beta, so not everyone can get their hands on it. But maybe when you're watching it, it's gonna be on a public version, so you can just go ahead, go to software update and update it. So make sure to go ahead, check it out. Maybe it's already out. All right, same thing with watchOS. Your Apple Watch needs to be running watchOS 7.4. So you're gonna scroll down again, general, about, check if it's watchOS 7.4. Again, maybe it's still on beta, depending on when you're watching this video. Go ahead, go to software update and see if it's available, right? So those are the first two requirements. The third one is your Apple Watch obviously need to have a passcode. It's very important that it has a passcode set, because otherwise this will not work. Okay, this is for security reasons, of course. So go ahead here, scroll to passcode, have a look if you have a passcode on your Apple Watch. If you do, you're fine, you're good to go. And last but not least, you're gonna go to settings on your iPhone, scroll down to Face ID and passcode, put on your passcode, hit done, and then you're gonna scroll down and have a look if you have unlock with Apple Watch. If you're running iOS 14.5 on your iPhone, watchOS 7.4 on your Apple Watch, and you have a passcode on your Apple Watch, you're definitely gonna have this feature right here. So unlock with Apple Watch, you're gonna enable it, and you're good to go. All you have to do is enable it, you're good to go, you don't have to do anything else. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you still can't update to iOS 14.5 because it's still in beta, at least I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, one of the first looks here on YouTube. If you can already update, please make sure to do that, to update, and to take advantage of this awesome new feature that I'm sure you're gonna love. It's gonna be extremely handy to you, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.